Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox Initialization Error 2 or how you can fix RobloxPlayerBeta.exe Error. So the first thing what you can do here is to restart your computer, and sometimes it fixes your problem. And if it's not, if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to disable browser security settings. And to do so, you just need to go on the top right corner on your browser. You should see menu, and then you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to privacy and security, and then you need to go to security and select no protection here and apply the changes. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to just delete a Roblox temporary cache file. So what you need to do here is to press Windows Anaki or just on search write run, and then you just need to write %, app data %, and then press OK, and then press on app data local, and then you need to find Roblox folder here and delete this folder. But before you delete, make sure that you completely turn off Roblox from your task manager as well. There should be no Roblox basically processes running on your computer, because it won't let you to delete this folder if it's running. But don't worry, just the cache files. What you need to do here next is to just re-log into your account and you will be good to go. And if you apply this basically fix, and if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to clear Roblox cache files for your browser. So open up your browser, load up Roblox, and then just right click on it, go to inspect, and go to application here, storage, and just press clear site data here, and then refresh, close this window, refresh the page, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then what you can do here is to change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, on the bottom right corner, you should see on the system tray internet and network access here. So right click on it, go to network and internet settings, then press on advanced network settings, more network adapter options. On your internet, just right click on it and go to properties, and make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then you need to find internet protocol version 4, double click on it, and then press on use the following DNS server addresses here, and on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4 and apply changes. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to clear your DNS cache files. And to do so, you just need to open up command prompt, and then just write cmd, and then right click on it, run as a program as administrator. And then what you need to do here next is to enter these commands one by one. So the first one is ipconfig renew /renew. Another one is ipconfig /flush DNS, and just write it here, press enter. And then nesh int ipv4 reset, nesh int ipv6 reset, nesh win http reset proxy, and ipconfig /register DNS. And then after you put all these commands one by one, you need to restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to reinstall the Roblox player on your computer. And to do so, you just need to go to installed apps, and then you just need to here find Roblox, and just press on install here. And if you want to install it again, run Roblox on browser, log into your account, and then select whatever game you like here, and then you will get the message that you can install Roblox to your computer, download it, install it, and you'll be good to go. And if you try this method and the problem persists, then the other thing that you can do here is to basically run Roblox as administrator. So on search, you just need to write Roblox player, and then you need to just open file location here, and then again open file location here. And on Roblox Player Launcher, on this folder here, you just need to go to properties, compatibility, and make sure you run this program as administrator. Press apply and OK. and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here, you can get Roblox from Microsoft Store. So on search, just write store, open up your Microsoft Store, and we need to wait for a few seconds until it loads up. And on search, just write Roblox and download Roblox from Microsoft Store, and it should be no bugs here. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.